Ever been failed? What if I tell you that there is a secret formula that you can use this failure to your advantage? Would you like that? Let me share that with you. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication expert, and this channel I talk about success, communication, mindset, living your best possible life. So if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. So what is failure? You attempted to do something, but the outcome or the result that you got was not what you expected, or it did not turn out to the way you planned it to be, right? Let's say there's an exam, you have given 12th exam and you failed in that 12th exam. So what happened? There's a certain outcome that has come that you have not liked, and because of which you feel that you have failed. I have failed many times in my life. I was somebody, I took IIT JEE in my, when I was in 11th and 12th, and it was the disaster. I couldn't prepare for that IIT JEE. There was so much of hard work that I have done. There was so much of energy I had invested. I had not played around. I was just studying for 10 to 12 hours in a day, and yet I couldn't crack that IIT JEE. And you know what? Today when I look back, let me tell you, all these failures were the biggest blessings of my life. It took me 7 years to understand, but I'm going to share with you in this video 5 tips that will help you overcome failure. And watch this video till the end, because the last secret is the most important one. Tip number 1. Anytime you have failed, what you have to do is you have to ask yourself one golden question, and that is, what did I learn from this? What did I learn from this? Okay? There is anything that has happened in your life, it has not gone the way you want it to go. You have not got the result that you are looking for. Accept that, but learn the lesson. Okay? When I failed in that IIT JEE examination, my biggest lesson was, this is not for me. I am not this. This doesn't resonate with me. This doesn't resonate with my personality. In 11th, 12th class, right? What was my age? I was 18 or 19 years of age. I never knew what I'm going to do in my life. I had no clarity, but I knew one thing, that this is not for me. The biggest lesson that time I learned was, there is something that is for you, and there is something that is just not for you. So always remember, any time you have failed in your life, it can be a relationship, it can be work, it can be a business deal, it can be anything. Ask yourself the golden question, what is the lesson that I'm learning? And you know what is the magic of your brain? The moment you ask the question, it will give you the answer. Okay, I'll give you the bonus tip. There's no failure that comes without any blessing. There's no failure that comes without any lesson. Okay, I'm glad that I failed there, because if I would have not failed there, I would have not been here today sharing this video with you, right? Tip number 2, your failure can be just a redirection. Okay, so if you have failed, there can be 2 things. Either you are being tested or you are being redirected. If God wants to really test you, He will fail you. Okay, if you can pass that examination, the rewards are immense. But if it is a redirection, that is also very good. So you have to ask yourself, is it some testing thing that is happening, or is it a redirection? Okay, I used to do a lot of corporate trainings a couple of years ago, and there were some clients I used to meet, and within a day or 2 I used to get the work. Okay, and I used to do the work. There were some clients, in spite of the fact I'm calling them, I'm taking non-stop follow-up, I was just not getting work from them. Okay, and the clients that I was fortunate to work with were all good clients, were all big clients. The clients who were not giving me work were all clients who were SMEs, the small medium enterprises with 50 employees, 100 employees. I wanted to just ask myself that, is it a redirection or is it a testing? And you know what? I got the answer. It was redirection. Although those clients who have not called me, they were all small companies, but later I was being called by the India's best of the best companies. I have gone and trained in Fortune 500 company employees also. Okay, so it was a beautiful redirection. If you are in that difficult situation, just relax yourself and ask, is it a redirection or is it a testing? Number 3, failure is of an event or a situation. You are not failed as a person. Yes, whenever you fail in your life, is it that you have failed? Will you call yourself a failure? No, it was just an event. Okay, let's say there is a relationship that you are in with somebody. Tomorrow there's a breakup. You both are not together. So what happened? It's a failed relationship. Your relationship failed. But because of that relationship, if you will call yourself a failure, it will be a big disaster. And an event is failed, a situation is failed, a relationship is failed, does not mean you have failed. There are so many college dropouts today who are millionaire and billionaire. Yes. But tip number 4, you cannot control everything. Yes. This is a beautiful reality of this universe, right? There are a lot of times that, even I have worked very hard on some projects, but I have not got the return that I am expecting. There are a lot of times I have invested in my business, but I have not been able to generate returns. There have been times I have invested little money, but I have got very good returns. Yeah, happened. This is life. Okay. As a humans, we cannot control any and everything. We are not even supposed to control any and everything, right? There is a universe, there is God, there are greater powers that are already happening. Okay, so if you have failed, don't take it very personally. Not what nature wants, it is not what universe wants, it is not something that God wants. That's okay. What is in your control is to give your best, right? That is why, in Gita also, Krishna said that karam karo and phal ki chinta mat karo. Write things and after that leave the rest. Okay, you get it, you don't get it, you have to accept it. What will happen if you will not accept it? You will lose peace of your mind, right? So understand it, planning is good, giving your best is good, but result is something that is not in your control. So accept that. If you accept that, you will get a peace of mind. Okay, it isn't a greater power, whatever will happen best, or whatever will happen, I will accept it. 5th tip, turn your failure into an opportunity. Yes. If you are very smart, you will know how to turn your every failure into opportunity. Let's say you have failed in a relationship. Okay. Can you make it as an opportunity? Yes. Now you have a lot of time for yourself. Now you are completely alone. Now you do not have any responsibility. Now you can do anything that you want, right? You have a lot of time and energy. What you can do with this opportunity? You can add new experiences. You can go on a learning journey. You can learn from the best of the best people. You can live any of your dream project that you have. There's so much that you can do. If something you really want, you want to work with a client and you have not got that client. What is the opportunity? There are 1,000 more clients that you can go and you can approach them, right? Let's say you have failed in your 12th class. What you can do, how you can turn it into opportunity. This field is not for me. Let me explore which is the field for me, right? There is no failure that you cannot turn it into an opportunity. Turn your failures into the opportunity. That's the best way to live over here. Okay. So I hope guys that this video was helpful. If yes, then hit the thumbs up, and also if you're somebody who would like to learn more from me, then do join WhatsApp group wherein you will get invitation to be part of my live program. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.